So we've just left town quickly and we've driven about 30 kilometres over to Fishery Bay, and it is quite an interesting beach from what I'm reading right here. So Captain Matthew Flinders sailed the investigator across Fishery Bay in February 1802. Fishery Bay was the site of whaling operations between 1837 to 1841. But also, I wanted to come here because it is one of the more well-known surf beaches in this region. And I'm sure there's probably been a lot of shark attacks here, given that we are on the Eyre Peninsula, and shark attacks are reasonably common here. But I'm looking forward to seeing this white sandy beach, although the cloud and the wind is persisting. Oh my god, I can already see it. This looks incredible. All right, I'm excited now. Let's get here. This could be the best place of the day. I'm filming from here, so then you can also have the surprise that I'm having. Oh my god. Look at the swell just wrapping along the cliff over there. This is incredible. Ah, there's a guy out here as well. Just saw him out the side of my eye. I knew the swell would be up today. Perfect direction for the wind. Almost straight offshore. Bit of a closeout right here, but there's a point break on either end of the beach. Up there and over there as well. Oh my god. I can see why this is regarded as the best surf beach in Port Lincoln. Unbelievable. I don't think you really had to drive down here, mate. People in their four-wheel drives, they really have to drive everywhere, don't they? That walk up that trail was about 100 metres, so you do not need to drive down on the beach here. Just walk. Come on, guys. Look after our hooded plover friends. This is awesome. There's also stairs down way over there, down the cliff to a surf spot. So I'm going to try and drive over to that car park up there. That is incredible. Let's head over there now. So we've just come on up to the cliff now of Fishery Bay. Check out the swell. Unbelievable. What a setup this is. This is world class. What a point break. It just goes for hundreds of meters. See if this guy gets this one. Oh my god. The wind isn't quite from the right direction, although it's almost straight offshore. Just needs a little bit more of a tilt in it, and it will be absolutely perfect. Oh my god, what an absolute setup this is. Let's go over here. The point breaks along here are just endless. There's about another 2 up in this direction here as well. Unbelievable. I've never seen anything like this before. Look at that. Ha 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 ha, that is epic. Have a look at these ones, just cruise on down the lineup. Geez, there's some size in them. Raw ocean power. Have a look at that. Ha ha ha. Get on this one, big boy. Nah, he's pulled out. Oh my god. Come on, paddle. Nah. Bit too big for the old boys, I think. on their longboards. I think they're after these smaller ones, so I'll wait for a few smaller ones to come through, but there's lines after lines after lines. This is what you call consistent. Bloody hell, this is awesome. There he goes. One of the smaller ones, but good amount of speed. Bit of hollowness in it as well. Probably be alright for a bodyboard, I reckon. I reckon the shark factor might put me off. But oh, this is awesome. Smiles for days, sun's out. This is one of the best surfed locations I've ever seen in my life. Eyre Peninsula, turning on the absolute goods. Incredible, absolutely incredible. This staircase is awesome too. I'd love to see this on a huge swell day. I reckon it'd just about wash over the bottom part of this staircase where Sam is standing right now. Hey, this is so good. Come on mate, this is what you've been waiting for. Here we go. Oh, beautiful. Oh, that looks sensational with the spray off the back. Hey, wow. 2 guys out and the sets just keep coming and coming. Fishery Bay, Port Lincoln, it must be said, and this is Palamas Point, is one of the best surf setups I have seen. I'm not sure if I'm repeating myself or not right now, but I'm too excited to remember what I have said. It's insane. What a spot. What a surf spot. What a natural amphitheatre as well. Just so beautiful. You can see Fishery Bay Beach just over there in the distance. And then you pan right around to the other point break over the other side there as well. Wind not quite doing its thing for that point break, but I can imagine on its day it would be incredible. What a choice for waves these guys have got. Port Lincoln, tick, tick, tick. Incredible. We're still up on Palamas Point right now, and I don't think I've ever seen a sign like this before. And if you don't get phone reception, just phone ET, as this guy has written on here. That is funny. Check out the landscape around here. So rugged, so beautiful. What a place on planet Earth. We're just on our way now to the other side of this beach and have just stopped here for probably the best view of this spectacular beach, with a rainbow there greeting us as well. Wow. Does have Esperance vibes about it. Has Southern Australia vibes about it, I must say. It is just beautiful, pure, rugged, natural, clean, pristine. Oh my God, what a place. Absolutely incredible. Alright, just quickly for you guys, we're on the other side now. Extremely windy. And that is that. Let's head back into town and enjoy that side of life as well.